What's up, my crypto legends? Good morning. How is everyone doing? Hope you're all having a fantastic Monday. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Let's analyze the situation here for Bitcoin, because we are retesting the lows here of the 12th of May. Are we going to create a double bottom, or are we going to absolutely crush the support level and continue to the downside? This is something that we are going to analyze right now at this moment. Make sure to absolutely crush that like button right now, because I wasn't doing any trading for the last few days. I wasn't doing any trading for the weekend, but with yesterday's analysis, there was a trade that was worth taking. Okay, Sunday, all right. I did put an alarm. I got the alarm. I actually took this trade from my mobile phone, but trading from your phone is fine if you actually have done the analysis properly at home. So this was pretty cool, because on yesterday's live stream, it was mentioned that this level over here, the 28.1, 28.2, had massive confluence. We had a trend line. We had the 618 from the major drop. It was pretty big volume. And if we take a look at what happened to Bitcoin, we actually came all the way up to retest the trend line, actually breaking a little bit slightly above this level. This was the analysis that we talked about yesterday. We were trading at this range. We were looking for that potential leg up here and getting this big, massive rejection and continuing to the downside. This was talked on yesterday's live stream. You can go in minute 14 here on yesterday's live stream, looking for that rejection. We exactly hit that level, guys, yesterday, as you can see here on the chart. I am actually still in that trade. Okay, I took 70% of profits. This was mentioned on the Telegram group. We actually crushed it here. I didn't want to do any trading on Sunday, but the amount of confluence that was here was absolutely huge. As you can see here on the 2 hourly, we can go to the 1 hourly even, and there was pretty nice volume here. There was a little bit of pretty high volume on this pump, but overall we know that the trend is to the downside. The trend is your friend till the absolute end. We do not know where the end is, so the trend is still continuing back down. We were getting rejected here from this resistance trend line. We almost tried to break it. We were getting a little bit of a confluence, and just on the 15-minute chart, when we were creating this kind of double top, I actually gave not gave the signal. I actually said I am taking this short position, entering here at 28.1 when we got the second lower high, getting that rejection from this range, finally having this massive move to the downside. And yes, I am still partially inside of this trade. Look at this. Perfect entry. Okay, this is when you wait patiently. I haven't been trading Bitcoin for the last 4 days, approximately 4 or 5 days, because I've made insane couple of weeks. And yeah, this is the thing, you know, I wasn't looking to trade on the weekend. Did the live stream yesterday, doing the analysis, looking at this 28.1, 28.2K level to get that reaction, waiting patiently, waiting for the price to actually get rejected on the second attempt here. And that was enough for me to say, right, this is very likely going to fail to continue to the upside. We are going to continue back down. And this is what exactly happened. Now, we did have a big, massive wick here, okay, to the downside. Maybe some people were actually, you know, trying to over leverage along this. Okay, we had a big, massive wick here to the downside. And if we take a look at fib levels from the top of the range, okay, from the actual drop, you know, we could have taken the Fibonacci from this level or from this level, right? This is sideways consolidation right there. So, you know, Fibonacci starts from the actual top to the lowest part of this major drop. And we were actually, you know, getting that volatility above the 618. But, you know, this is not a, you know, exact science. You're going to get that volatility, 618, 65 right there. You can see the reaction, okay? You got the resistance trend line here with the lower highs right over there, getting that rejection. We have the 618. We have a major support level right over here that was created, okay? Also on the 11th of June, getting that bounce. That was enough confluence for me to say, you know, it is very, very likely after the second attempt. And this is why you need to wait for the price action to come to you. Wait for the reaction. Once you see the reaction, we step in as traders. This is exactly what was mentioned on yesterday's live stream, guys. You can check it out. Minute 14 on the live stream, waiting for that exact move that happened. And here is the proof of taking that exact trade here from that 28.1K levels. There it is, guys. Is it magic? No. Do I have a crystal ball? Absolutely not. I am wrong many times, but when I'm wrong, I know how to risk. I have good risk management. If I'm wrong, I don't lose much. But if I'm right, I can win a huge amount, guys. Knowing how to take profits, knowing how to take your position, protect your position, knowing how to ride the trend. So this is actually a good moment to potentially take most of the profits. I'm actually going to close all of my position very, very likely at this level, very likely by the end of the live stream. Because why am I going to close this range? Why am I going to close most of my profit? Because if we take a look at the 4 hourly and zoom in right now, you know, the possibility of a double bottom is very, very possible. Okay, look at this. We are actually getting that reaction. The price has stopped at this range. We are wicking slightly below it. Can we break it? Yes, but I am happy with the trade. It was a day trade. It was a small swing trade, of course, because it was a trade from yesterday, but I was looking for, you know, 1-2 day trade, looking for this potential move to the downside. Also on yesterday's live stream, it was very important to note that I was expecting this potential drop to the downside. Looking at the probabilities, guys, why did we have this such aggressive drop down here? If someone can explain to me in the comment section, and I can give you a brief explanation right now, and I'm going to go through the comment section right now. The reason why we did have this aggressive drop is that we did lose the strongest value area low from the trading range for the last 30 days. And this was explained yesterday. It was explained the last few days. The moment we start losing the $28,600, the drop back down to retest the lows is going to be pretty fast, guys, because you've lost the value area low from this trading range. You can see it with the volume profile. You can see it here, this last support, because the price action in between 25K levels and 28.6 was very, very fast. The price action was very, very fast, guys, at this range. So very likely, once you break this $28,600 range, the price action to come down to retest the lows is also going to be very, very fast, guys. And there you have it. It is no magic. It is just looking at charts for hours and hours and hours for many, many years, understanding the ranges, understanding the impulsive moves. And this was mentioned on, you know, the last few videos, guys. You can check it out. Last few live streams, you know, expecting a potential fast movement, okay, with some dead cat bounces, with some retracements. Yes, that could happen. But the movement was fast. It only took a few days to come down to retest this 25K level after breaking $28,600. And if you have been following the channel for the last few days, for the last few weeks, it was very much expected this move to the downside, guys. It was very much expected after losing the value area low. I mean, I'm repeating myself here because I still have people asking me, you know, a couple of questions. People out in the Telegram group just a few minutes ago saying, you know, can you do an overview of what you mentioned on yesterday's live stream and your trade? You can check it for yourself. Live stream is still there. You can just go to the minute 14 and looking for that move, okay, looking for that rejection from this level and continue back down. Nothing, guys, just wanted to point out the transparency. Me in a trade, okay, if I'm wrong, I'm going to say I am wrong. If I'm right, I'm going to say I'm right, of course, but total transparency. And this is why it is important for you guys, anybody that is actively trading, anybody that has over 500 USDT in their Bybit account, and if not, you can sign up down below right away and claim your insane bonus of up to $4,050, and you have also 30 days of 0% maker fee, because there is a huge competition going on Bybit, and I need people in my team because we're going to absolutely crush it, guys. Look at this entry at 28.1. Look at the trade that I'm riding to the downside. I mean, the risk to reward on this trade is a 5-to-1 at least. Wasn't expecting this aggressive drop by, you know, early this morning. I was expecting it more for Monday, Tuesday, today, tomorrow, but it was fast enough. You can see it, guys. I've already got 79 people in the group, guys. This is because people are confident. People know that we can actually be in the top 10, okay, if we do not win the competition. Right over here, 79 people in my team, guys. The link, okay, is down below to join my team. You need at least 500 USDT. There's up to $8 million of prize pool. We need to absolutely crush it, guys. If you belong to my team, I'm going to be waking up early in the morning. We're going to be trading actively, you know, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum and a couple of altcoins, not much more than that. We do not need to analyze 10, 20 cryptocurrencies for the competition, but we're going to absolutely get into the best entries into... Yeah, guys, I'm really excited for this because it can be absolutely huge. I know we can be in the top 10, okay? Being first, there's going to be a lot of people there, a lot of professional traders. It's going to be very difficult to end up first, okay? But it is possible. It is absolutely possible, especially having a huge team, guys. Make sure to scroll down, join the team, join also the Telegram group that's going to be specially for members of the team. Whoever joins the Telegram, okay, for the competition that is not in the team will be eliminated from the group, guys. This group is only going to be for the 20 days of the competition. Then we're going to delete the group, okay? Whoever's joining, okay, is just wasting their time because they will be eliminated. I will find out who is not in the team, guys. So it's only going to be for the competition, all right? We don't need a huge amount of people there because everybody's going to give their opinion. Only people that are competing, okay, that want to win this huge prize pool and that is in the competition. So if you're not signing up, okay, I've got 79 people on the competition. Okay, it's maybe slightly higher right now. Yeah, there are 79 people inside of my group, and there's over 120 in the Telegram group. Okay, so there's people that have joined the Telegram group that okay, I had a song there going on. People that have joined the Telegram that are not in the trading group, I know they want to see the trades. I know they want to take advantage of good trades potentially that we're going to do, but it's not fair, guys. I will be doing also in the near future Discord, okay, for more active trading. And I know people want to join because, yeah, it's a competition. They are going to look for the best trading entries. Why not join the Telegram group and take advantage of that? Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. This Telegram group is only for people that are in the team of Bybit for the World Series of Trading, okay? So, right, let's go through the comment section, guys. Let's go through the comment section. Like I said, the possibility of a double bottom right now is very, very possible. But what happens if we do break this zone, okay? What happens if we do break this zone? Then I'm going to explain, you know, the strongest level that we do have is right over here, the 23.8. 23.8 is a major daily level. We have a spike on the VPVR right over here, and we also have a big consolidation. All right, we have a big consolidation. This is where the price action could get a reaction, could get a major bounce. I'm potentially going to long this range. Okay, what range? You can see here in December of 2020, there's a strong consolidation here for about a week, and there's several daily closes here at the $23,800 area, where we should be getting a reaction. We have a nice spike on the VPVR. You know, this is a strong level. You know, this is level to level. So yeah, the 23.8 could be a level if we do break this low, where we could get a potential bounce, and it might be a very good trading opportunity. So anyway, let's go. Let's take a look here at the comment section, guys. Just wanted to go through yesterday's live stream, the trade, you know, this major drop. I need to explain it, guys. Can't stress this enough. Want to be totally transparent here, and this is what, you know, makes the content valuable. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. If you absolutely enjoy it, absolutely destroy that like button right now, because we're almost 400 people watching, only 120 likes. You guys can do better. I know that. A lot of people watching the live stream haven't smashed up the like button. And, you know, this is absolutely total free content that I put every single day, analysis for you guys. So you need to absolutely destroy that like button for the algorithm to grow the channel. Let me go through the comment section. Mohammed is sending a skull here saying, you know, this is Bitcoin is doomed. We are going to absolutely zero. Guys, we are living in the best opportunity moment of a lifetime, okay? This is going to happen. Can we go lower? Absolutely. Can we go down for 1 year more? Absolutely. Is the world entering a big, massive recession? Absolutely. Yeah, but the thing is, you know, people, you know, millionaires are made in recessions, in strong recessions, and big market crashes, okay? And this could be, you know, one of the biggest market crashes that we are going to start experiencing for the next coming months. But you know what? I am not scared at all. I am ready for this, baby. And I want Bitcoin down at $10,000, because I will be buying a huge amount of Bitcoin if we do go down to those levels, guys. You know, you need to absolutely have people, you know, some people are, you know, scared. Some people are saying, you know, Bitcoin's going to be doomed. Bitcoin's going to 10K. You know, it's the best opportunity you could have in a lifetime, guys. Anyway, not financial advice, of course, but I'm pretty excited for this bear market, because the amount of accumulation that I'll be doing is going to be absolutely insane. And, you know, I started investing in 2018. I did make some pretty good gains, but I didn't make huge amount of gains. And, you know, this time I will be making very, very important amount of money, in my personal opinion, you know, for the next coming years, because I am ready. I have seen this before. I am not scared. I am excited for this bear market, guys. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to go quickly through the comment section. Are you excited excited for this big, massive bear market? You know, Are you excited? Are you excited, guys? Because I am. Let me know, guys. Are you excited for this big, massive bear market? And I know a lot of people are kind of depressed. I asked how many people invested in 2021 and 2022 in cryptocurrency. I think it was almost 70% of people. You know, a lot of people are in the red now. A lot of people are in the red, and I totally understand this. But, you know, guys, this is the moment that you need to be excited. This is the moment. It is, you know, the opportunity of a lifetime. Can we go to 10K? Absolutely. Bring it on. 10K Bitcoin. Why not? You know, $300 Ethereum. That would be absolutely insane. Bring it on. Ethereum is a survivor. Ethereum will be a survivor. Most of the projects are built on Ethereum. Ethereum will continue to be here. Anyway, so yeah, I'm stacking up Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins, if anybody wants to know. Not all coins just yet, because I do see the downside potential for Bitcoin, and altcoins could still even drop 90% from their value right now. So yeah, we're still waiting for lower for accumulation of altcoins. Anyway, let's take a look. Joseph, thank you very much. Hola, amigo. Joseph, thank you very much for joining the live stream. You're my man. I got Mark Dutch here also. Absolutely insane. Wow, this is absolutely great. I can see Scotty here also. Fantastic. Felipe, how are you doing? Wow, it's going to be very, very hard to read most of the comment sections. But yeah, I just want to say hello to my mods, Mark Dutch, Joseph. Thank you for joining, guys. You rock. Let's take a look. I've got a super chat here right now. Let me just go through the super chat and I'll go quickly to say hello, okay? Hey, Andy, do you think Engine can hit 20 cent? And is it a good accumulation zone? Says Nepalese Noir. Let me take a look at Engine. Why not? Let's take a look at Engine here. Zoom out. I guess Binance has the biggest. I mean, we've got a long time since we've done analysis on Engine. We've got a couple of trend lines here. Let's zoom out on the daily. And actually, let's go to the 3-day chart and zoom out a little bit. Yeah, this is, can it go down to 20 cents? Well, we have lost this big important range, okay? The summer lows of 2021, massive, big double top. I mean, oh my goodness, this is absolutely crazy. It's going to be so boring, guys. Crypto is going to be feeling like it's dead. It's just, it's absolutely insane. Massive, big kind of double top scenario. A lot of the cryptos are actually having this kind of pattern. It's pretty curious because, you know, Amazon back in the 2000 did a very, very similar pattern. A lot of people comparing this, you know, with the dot-com bubble. And yeah, absolutely. Why not? Because there was a lot of dot-com, you know, websites that were, you know, they were offering something that wasn't real yet. They were offering something that was still building. And this is what is happening with crypto in general, you know, these last few years. Big, massive speculation. Bubble has popped. And we're going to see, you know, a couple of years potentially, you know, it might be 6 months, because technology and adoption is much faster every single time. Every decade, the adoption in stuff and technology move much faster. So it's, yeah, if you see social media adoption, wow, social media in 10 years, it went absolutely insane. So adoption in cryptocurrency and decentralization in Bitcoin, you know, the money's people, you know, the adoption could be really, really faster. So we cannot actually compare it with the dot-com bubble exactly, but, you know, it's very likely we're going to see 6 to 18 months of very, very boring price action to the downside, even more blood in the streets. It's just going to happen, guys. We're going to have to adapt to this, and the good projects are going to be ones that will survive. Can Engine be one of them? Yeah, I think so. Engine is a pretty popular, you know, project that's in the gaming space, NFT space. I wouldn't, you know, I couldn't be 100% on that, but it might be one of them that will survive. Now you are talking, can 20 cent be the ultimate low? Well, I think so. 20 cent, 25 cent has been a massive resistance zone where the price action of Engine has been trading for, you know, in 2019, 2020, a big accumulation zone. This is an accumulation zone right over here, and we might be trading in the next coming months, okay, weeks, months, above that accumulation zone. So that is definitely, in my opinion, a very good level of accumulation, especially if Bitcoin is bearish. Are we looking for more downside on Bitcoin? Maybe we're looking for more downside on Bitcoin, but not much more, guys. I know people want to get Bitcoin at 18K, at 15K, at 10K. Guys, if you do not dollar cost average, you'll be missing out on a lot of opportunities. Dollar cost average is the best way of investment, in my opinion, especially for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some cryptos. It's the best way to accumulate. You know, people that are waiting for lower are the ones that very likely miss out on a big amount of investment. So anyway, your question, keeping it simple, 25 cents can be actually the ultimate low range for Engine. We could have some volatility, a few cents up, a few cents down, but if Bitcoin does continue to the downside, you know, this is already I wouldn't start accumulating at this moment. One of the main reasons why is because, you know, after a bubble pop like this, you know, a V-shaped recovery, you know, in the next coming months, it's just very unlikely to happen, guys. It's very unlikely to happen. You will know when the bottom is in or near, when you start going sideways, okay, and start, you know, sideways for a few months, and, you know, making pumps and dumps, and not actually dropping from a zone below a support level, or not pumping from above a resistance level, okay? You will know when it's a good accumulation zone when you start making this kind of price action. When you start making this kind of price action is when you know that this is an accumulation zone. When you make this kind of price action, you know this is an accumulation zone. Price action is moving sideways in a range for several months, and that is when you need to buy up. So this is still falling. This price action is still falling pretty aggressively. You haven't even had a few weeks of sideways action. Well, you have had a few weeks, but you know, you want the several months. You want several months of sideways action. You want to get it. You're going to get some pumps inside there. You're going to get excited. Don't worry, it's very likely going to come back down, and it's going to be very boring action for several months. This is the moment I'll be here still, guys. You know, I'll be saying, guys, this is absolutely phenomenal. Crypto is dead. I am accumulating this. I'm accumulating this. This is incredible sideways action for accumulation. Don't worry, guys. I will be here also telling you what I am buying. And yeah, this is what I am waiting for basically on a lot of the altcoins, you know, waiting for that sideways action. We are still in a big aggressive free fall here. As you can see, we haven't had several months of sideways action. Expect that for the rest of 2022, and even slightly more to the downside. Anyway, enough of that, guys. 500 people watching the stream, absolutely crazy. Make sure to crush that like button on your way in, and let's, you know, you guys will be much nicer to me when BTC is at 14K, says Paul Christopher. Yeah, I mean, this is the thing. So many people right now are absolutely calling, you know, 10K, 12K, 14K, 16K. Yeah, these levels might not hold. A lot of people want to buy Bitcoin at those levels. Could it happen? Yes, of course. But, you know, dollar cost averaging is the best thing you can do. All right, because you will enter an average price from this from 25K to 15K. There's only a 10K difference. If you start dollar cost averaging at these levels, 25K, you know, 23K, you might jump back up to 28K. You might then go up to 32K, you know, then back down to 20K. You want to get into that average, okay? There's not going to be much difference for the next coming years. Anyway, this is only if you're accumulating. In this channel, we're looking also for massive trading gains. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look here at, I wanted to say hello. I know Felipe's here. I know Scotty's here, massive supporter. Pixels, good morning. How are you? El Habib. Ben, how are you doing? Have a nice week, bro. And all the crypto legends, says Ben Engine, a very strong supporter, always giving the sign of strength and a thunder in the comment section. Thank you, my man. You're a huge supporter. WTF happened with Bitcoin? El Habib, we were very much expecting this drop, okay? Nothing happened. What happened was the highest probability scenario, and that was coming down to retest these low levels, okay, with maybe some small relief rallies, but we were expecting, guys, this major drop. You can check out the stream. I mean, this has dropped in 2 days. The stream from the 11th of June, when we were slightly breaking this $28,600, and I was saying, you know, this might not drop as hard because it's the weekend. Yeah, it totally dropped, you know, it totally had a fast drop, but we were expecting that drop, guys. On the 11th of June, we were expecting more pain. We were expecting the price to drop pretty fast. And this is what happened. You know, this is what happened. The high probability scenario continuing back down because we lost the value area low from this big, massive monthly trading range, the $28,600. The price action below that was fast. So we are going to make that fast price action as soon as we break this level, guys. I can't stress this enough. I want to make it extremely simple for you guys to understand. You lose a value area low from a big trading range, you're going to come down fast to that low part, okay? I will be making a trading course after the summer, being absolutely insanely simplified, because a lot of the cryptocurrencies courses that are out there are just too much information. There is too much information out there, and too much information is just going to get your head crazy, and you don't know when to get in, when to get out, where's your stop loss, where's your take profit, and it's just too much information out there, guys. And I want to make the most professional, simplified cryptocurrency course that there could be out there by, you know, after the summer. I'm not going to give a date because I will be working on the structure. I'll be working on, you know, the models, and I want to make it super simplified, really easy, friendly course to understand. And you do not need the huge amount of over information that there is out there. Let me lower incoming. Gary, bring it on. I mean, look at this. We're not holding this range. We're not holding the lows. We did get a small reaction, small reaction. Look at the 1 hourly chart. Expect a major bounce. If we actually, in this attempt, if this attempt has a big, massive wick and comes back up with high volume, I'm potentially going to long it. I'm going to scalp long if we do have a swing failure pattern at this level. We can see a reaction here on the 1 hourly. Look how many 1 hourly candles. We've been trading at this range at the $25,000 area for over 5 hours right now. Okay, we are getting a reaction. Is it time to long? Absolutely not. It's time to long once you see multiple attempts trying to break low. I am very patient. If this drop has a massive fail and we wick back above the low here, we wick back above this low area, if we do something like this, boom, I might potentially long it at this range as soon as we get above. Not now. I'm extremely patient. Yesterday's scenario was absolutely beautiful, guys. If you were active on the Telegram group, I know there was a couple of people that were active asking me, you know, are you shorting? Have you seen the price? It's at that level that you mentioned. You know, I had the alarm was set, the alarm, you know, triggered, and where I entered the short position was exactly here from this rejection. You know, I can show you, it's on Bybit. The short is there. The short is here, just slightly below the 28.1K. It was there, right here, expecting. And you know, did I short on this big pump over here? No, I mean, this is super, it's super important, guys. I need to explain this. People need to explain. If you are a mentor, if you are someone that's educational, I am also an influencer. I'm also a crazy guy on the internet. But yeah, you know, if you've been long here enough, you know, I really try to be transparent and look at those big probability trades, and good risk management is absolute key. Did I enter here? I absolutely did not enter here. I was aware of the price being at these levels. And, you know, this second attempt fail, this lower high, was enough for me to say this is very likely, with high probability, going to roll back down. And the probabilities go higher once you wait for that reaction. The probabilities are higher here than here. Say, for example, just to give a number, you have 60% of chances of this price action to actually continue to the downside. Yesterday, talking about this major resistance trend line, this major support level reacting right there. We have the 618, okay, slightly above from this major drop. You have big probabilities in this rolling down, but you have even higher probabilities on the second attempt. Here you have 60% of chances. Here you have 70% of chances of winning that trade, because you can see the bullish exhaustion. You can see it on the chart. The price cannot manage to get above the $28.2 thousand. And that is when you pull the trigger. That is where you want to have good risk management. You want to have a stop loss above this wick, slightly above, because you can get that double top scenario. Okay, you can get stopped out. I've been stopped out many times on this kind of scenario, but you can get back in if you do get strongly rejected. So you will be losing this amount of of capital. You can step back in if that gets rejected. You just get stopped out, and you can jump back in a trade if you see that big rejection. So what is the risk to reward? Well, you guys can see this, and if you can take profits, protect your position, if you in a massive big entry, I mean, I can get stopped out 10 times. I can get stopped out 10 times, out of this trade, because I have really good risk management, and I know how to take profits, and I know how to protect my position. There's the trade, guys, right over here. My stop loss is at break even. Yeah, guys, I cannot stress this enough. I want to explain every single bit. I mean, for me, it's huge, the amount of huge community that I am creating. I want to make a really active Discord group after the summer for trading. And if you are experienced trader, if you are on Bybit, and if you're not and you are experienced, check out the bonus down below. There's an insane bonus. I want people inside of my team. There is the link to join my Bybit team, because we're going to absolutely crush it. I've got, let's see how many people have signed up since this live stream. Wow, 10 people more have signed up for the competition. 87 people have joined right now, my team. We're going to arrive to 100 and even more. And we're going to absolutely crush it, guys. Join the Telegram group for the competition. Only people of the competition. Don't try to join it, because you will be out just a few days before, guys. Only for people that is entering the competition. I will find out who is not in the competition. And yeah, you'll be eliminated. This Telegram group is only for people of the competition. Absolutely insane. We're going to go above 100. We're going to absolutely crush the trades here on the competition, guys. Yesterday's call was just absolutely insane. And I was saying, I haven't been trading for the last 4 days on Bitcoin. I just felt, I just didn't feel like trading. I had a massive couple of weeks. And then yesterday analysis, I will potentially take this trade. This trade looks pretty good. And the reason why is because, like I said, I'm going to explain this every single time. I'm going to go on and on and on, because people do ask several times. Well, I will explain several times. The value area low from this range was lost. The probabilities in us continuing to the downside aggressively was very high. But we wait patiently for the biggest opportunity, for the best entry, that retracement here to the massive level of confluence to ride this trade all the way down to these levels. Absolutely crazy. And there it is, guys. The trade is there. Entry at 28.1k levels. Let's go through here the comment section, and let's go through the comment section, guys. I will be doing another live stream. Michael Jones, thanks for the super chat, my man. Good work. Absolutely crazy. Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, this was a very good trade. It has to be said. Of course, I will not be right always. You guys know it. I did actually make a trade here somewhere. Was looking for a harmonic pattern formation. I was speculating for this harmonic to actually, go to this range. It was a risky trade. It was a 1 to 2 trade, risking 1 to gain 2. It wasn't much, and I got stopped. No, I actually exited with a small loss here, almost at break even, just a small loss. But this is why risk management is huge. You can get stopped out 20 times and have 3 good trades that you will be paid off with those 20 stops. Of course, I don't get stopped out that many times, but just so you can understand that risk management is absolutely key. 600 people on the live stream. Wow, absolutely crushing it, guys. Make sure to smash up that like button. I just want to read the poll here right now. And I'm so sorry because I'm not reading the comment section, guys, and I want to interact with the community. I'm really, really bad right now, these last few days, interacting. But I've got the question here in the, the poll. Are you excited for this big, massive bear market? I've got 70% of people saying yes. Absolutely great, guys. This is the mentality that you need to have. Be excited at these, sad moments, right? These are sad moments for Bitcoin and crypto, but you need to be excited. Trust me. You need to be excited. Bitcoin will hit 22K before it gets back up, says Peace and Love. Maybe yes. Maybe yes. Maybe yes. Whatever it does, we want to find the highest probability trade. And if this does fail to break right now in the next coming hours, it is highly probable we're going to have a relief rally before we continue back down. It's just, it is what it is. Don't expect the price to have a big, massive drop like this. Could it happen? Yes, of course. But we are going to have some relief pumps. Where are we going to have those relief pumps? At strong levels. This low area is a major zone. It's still very early to know if we're going to get a bounce or if we're going to break down. The moment on the 1 hourly chart, we got 10 minutes to close this 1 hourly. If we close above this range and still have some volatility here, relief rally is almost imminent. You're going to have some kind of relief rally, at least to the 382, if we do continue this consolidation and get a bounce back up. Am I long in this? No. Only if we do continue to go sideways. If we do see a couple of wicks here trying to break this low, then I will potentially, enter a quick long trade into the bounce. And yeah, definitely looking for that 382 at least, maybe 50%. So 26K on this relief rally is very, very likely, especially gaining this high wick over here. So in between 382 and 50%, we want to claim these wicks over here, very, very likely. Only to potentially continue back down, guys. Is this going to happen? Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see for this reaction. It's still soon. Still soon. No one is going to beat me at patience. No one is going to beat me at patience. If I prefer to not take a trade and only enter the highest probability trades, guys. You only need a few trades a month to absolutely crush it with gains. Capitalism is falling like Rome. No, capitalism is going to continue for quite some time. There's too much power, too much money out there to for capitalism to fall. In my personal opinion, it's over, says Charles Bustany. Yes, it's over. Bitcoin is going to zero. Bitcoin is dead, says James. Yeah, it was also dead back in 2018. It also was dead. It's been dead many, many times. Many times for the last few years. Rip alts. Yeah, alts are getting absolutely ripped. My altcoin portfolio, Chainlink and everything is just absolutely bleeding. But I did take some profits on the way up. I'm here focusing with trading. Yeah, guys, it's the best times that we're going to live in now. The next 6 to 18 months. A lot of blood in the market. Are we heading lower, says Darren? Possibly, yes. I think very much. Can I short now? Absolutely not. I wouldn't short now. I wouldn't short now personally. Yeah, the short was yesterday. The shorting opportunity was going up here to this 28,000 point. Yeah, this range, the 50% 618 was the shorting range mentioned on yesterday's live stream. You can check it out, minute 14. Okay, that was the shorting range. Shorting right now is very, very risky, especially with a high leverage, because expect, guys, big relief pumps. The risk here in a double bottom is really high. You know, it is high. There's a risk for a double bottom. Does it mean it's going to happen? No. Can we go lower from this range? Absolutely yes. A potential risky long opportunity is at the 23,871. This is a huge daily level, guys. We're only $1,500 away from this level. Okay, stay cautious, because this level could get a big bounce. We have a huge spike on the VPVR at this range. Well, it's not a huge one, but a big bounce to make some quick gains is very, very possible at that range if we do hit it, guys. The $23,800 range, it's a huge daily level. We had several daily closes, okay, at this level. You need to prepare, you need to have your levels marked, be ready to, once you hit that reaction, you decide if you want to enter to have good risk management for a potential good trade, guys. How low can we go? Many questions that I do get in Telegram, in the community. Don't worry, guys, I will be getting the best course that you could potentially do, because the courses that are out there have too much information. Yeah, this is a major level where we could get that bounce, where we could potentially stop the $23,800. There are some potential quick gains to be made there. And nothing is guaranteed, guys, but it is a major level. So expect maybe a wick down to that range and a big relief rally, guys. It could happen. You can always easily protect your position very, very quickly as soon as the price moves several hundreds of dollars to the upside. So yeah, anyway, it looks like that the price is getting weaker and weaker. We're not managing to hold this low. Double bottom scenario is looks like it's going to fail. I mean, if we have an aggressive drop right now, I'm gonna catch this falling knife, just because I do think that this $23,800 range is a huge level. If we do fall down there in the next coming minutes, or if we do have a massive recovery getting above the $24,800, this is potentially a small swing failure pattern. And we actually going to get that double bottom scenario, that dead cat bounce. If we close above this low over here, which is the $24,811 right there. If we do close above this level, which I think it's very unlikely, we've only got 5 minutes. Price looks like it wants to go lower. Then of course, then I would be looking for that dead cat bounce. For the moment, yeah, it looks pretty aggressive. Major level 23,871. It's a huge daily level. Expect a relief rally and a potential big one at that range, guys. You want to know where the price can stop? That is a major level. We have a spike on the VPVR, and we also have, the daily level here from this big reaccumulation that we did have back in December of 2020. Huge reaccumulation zone, slightly breaking above all-time high. This is the all-time high, guys. We're not far away. These are big major levels. We got the all-time high levels where we consolidated before the breakout, and we have this range over here. Yeah, the 23.8, which is a huge daily level. Expect the price to get a bounce at that range. I will long this live. I'm going to leave in 5 minutes because I've got stuff to do. I will be doing another. I want to do another live stream afterwards. I'm going to try it and make it for the New York opening, okay? Which is 3:30 here, Central European time. I'm going to try and aim that. I got a few things. I need to go to the doctors. I need to do a couple of things. But yeah, I mean, a major level, the 23.8 range could get a big bounce. Stay cautious. If you are trading this, take profits, protect your position, don't risk too much, don't be greedy. 1 hourly, we're probably going to close above this low. It can be a potential swing failure. We can maybe create this double bottom scenario in the short term. If we consolidate for the next 1-2 hours at this range, yeah, expect a big relief rally. Where can that big relief rally go to? The relief rally can potentially go from this drop to the low part, to this 50%, 618, at least to the 25.9, at least the 382 is very, very likely to be reached, and potentially higher. Only if we close above this range, only if we have another couple of more hours here inside of this level above 24.8. If we are above 24.8 and we go sideways, you know, you are looking for that double bottom scenario. You are looking for that failed breakout of this support. Not till then, yeah, it's still very likely going to drop. Only sideways action for the next couple of hours. Having that swing failure, I will be confident that this is going to have a big relief rally. Only if that happens. Wow, 700 people on the stream, guys. Absolutely smash that like button, guys. I bet a lot of them are new people, new subscribers, you know, because of the thumbnail, you know, Bitcoin price dropping, more pain to come. Yeah, for any new subscribers, check out yesterday's live stream. You need to check out yesterday's live stream to understand what we were looking for here. Any new subscribers, absolutely crush the like button. Any new viewers, subscribe to the channel. Check out yesterday's live stream. It was absolutely a perfect entry here at this 28.1k levels. Anyway, absolutely crush that like button and smash the like button. 725 watching. Let's hit that 500 likes. Mariela Porto, thanks for joining. How are you doing, Mariela? Mark Dutch, Joseph, let's take a look. Can you please have a look at gold? Absolutely. I did enter a gold long. I did exit the gold long. Did it manage to reach $1,920? We were looking at a harmonic pattern. Let's take a look at gold. Was it a failed move? Oh, it's still solidly here. Oh, it still can. I think it still will manage to go higher. Gold. We were looking at this bat pattern on gold, looking for that $1,920. This is very likely going to go up there in the next coming weeks, I said, because yeah, gold is a very, very slow mover. It's very likely going to hit that level in the next coming days, potentially with high probability. The trade that I entered was here. I got stopped out at break even because yeah, I put stop loss at break even because we had this movement. A little bit of a too large consolidation for my style here. But anyway, we were getting highly supported on gold from these higher lows. There's still high probability in gold going to the $1,920. Very, very likely. This is the B zone over here. It's the 618 from the C point to D point of this bat harmonic pattern, then potentially getting a big rejection from that range. But yeah, I do see the price action of gold going up to the $1,920. Very, very likely. Strong uptrend. You have this beautiful bat pattern over here on the D point getting supported from the higher lows. Yeah, I do see higher. I do see gold in the next coming days, maybe a week or so, hitting the $1,920 with high probability. Yeah, I've got natural gas also is looking very, very interesting. I know a lot of people expect natural gas to go to insane high levels. I do also, but I think a potential large correction is likely in the coming days and the next couple of weeks. We're entering the summer. Consumption in natural gas is going to decline, and like I said, you know, before the massive event that is happening, okay, in Eastern Europe, yeah, you know, smart investors invest already here in February, okay, and March before the actual, you know, what is happening. I don't want to be talking of any of that, but I can see here a distribution event. Smart money, I think, is leaving the market at these peaks because we entering the summer. You know, the demand is going to go down. We've had massive, fear with natural gas and oil prices. It just doesn't make any sense that this is going to go much higher from this range. A potential correction is going to happen. I'm actually in a very small short position here on PrimeXBT. You can trade natural gas. You can trade gold on PrimeXBT. You know, they have a huge amount of assets and they are using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins as collateral, which is absolutely insane because this is my platform to accumulate Bitcoin. I am trading other markets and I am accumulating Bitcoin. So it's absolutely huge. And the good thing is that you get 7% added to your deposit. Okay, 7% added to your deposit if you use my link down below, and also Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. Also, I'm getting a small commission of this, but it's a platform that I use almost every single day. I recommend, the ones that I recommend, okay, is PrimeXBT and Bybit. They're my favorite ones. Of course, there are other good ones, such as Femex, such as Margex, BitGet. They're all good, but the ones that I use consistently for my trading is PrimeXBT and Bybit. And you have the best bonus available down below, guys. On Bybit, up to $4,050. And on PrimeXBT, you get 7% added to your deposit, which is huge. You deposit $10,000, you're getting $700 on top. You deposit $100,000, you're getting $7,000 on top of that to trade with. It gives you buying power. So I've got full tutorials on PrimeXBT and Bybit down below, guys, if you are interested. It's another way to support the channel. Looking at the 1 hourly here on Bitcoin. Yeah, relief rally is very, very possible. It's not a successful swing failure. If we do consolidate the next coming hours at this range, that bigger relief rally is very, very real, guys. Very, very real. Guys, sorry for not looking at the comment section today, hardly. I'm going to try and do another live stream. Let's see where we can find some bigger opportunities on Bitcoin. Stay cautious. We could have a large consolidation. Look for these levels, Fibonacci levels, okay? The 382, which is at the 25.9, the 26.3 here at 50%, 26.8, okay? I'm going to wait patiently. If we start consolidating and go to these high levels, 618 would be the ideal. Why is 618 ideal from this major drop? Because of the massive volume that we did have here on this relief rally. We're going to back test the back of this major level, hitting the 618. That is enough confluence for me. Back testing the back of this big volume range with the 618 is enough confluence for me. If we do see a reaction at this range, it is going to be a massive big shorting opportunity, guys. Let's see if we're going to go up there. Maybe not. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're only looking for the highest probability trades. If we get that relief rally, just like we did yesterday, waiting patiently for that move to the upside on yesterday's stream at that 28.2, we reached that level here beautifully. The 28.1 here talked about yesterday for that high probability trade dropping to the downside. There we have it on Bybit. Absolutely insane, guys. Be patient. Let's wait for the price action to come to you. I'm waiting for the price action to come to me at this 618 level, around about the 26.7, and also at the $23,800, a major daily zone. If we come down there, I am looking for longs. If we come up here, I am looking for shorts. And this is how you play the game, guys. Price action could do whatever it wants at these levels. I don't care. I've already taken my high probability trade. Guys, absolutely crush that like button. Almost 500 likes. Thank you very much. Can we long, says Russell. No, I haven't. Well, I mean, this is the thing. It's up to you guys. Of course, I'm not going to give financial advice. I'm looking at these levels. For me, my most important level right now is $23,800 level. For a bigger relief rally, we could have an insane relief rally at that level. It's a huge, strong level from price action in December of 2020 on Bitcoin. Huge daily level. Potential big bounce there. And also the $26,700 area, looking for that 618 range consolidation. If we do get a relief rally, it would be an easy trade if we consolidate and get rejected here. Guys, if you want to join my trading competition, the link is down below. Join the Telegram group for the trading competition. Only members for the team, okay? I will be doing another live stream. I'm going to aim to do another live stream afterwards, okay? Stay safe. Smash up that like button. Check out the insane bonuses that you do have down below on my favorite trading platforms, Bybit and PrimeXBT, that I use almost every single day. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website if you want to find, nice articles and news regarding Bitcoin and other cryptos. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.